We're in Baoase Luxury Resort in Curaçao, and this is how the resort looks at night. Um, and they just have this beautiful lighting across the whole resort, and it really transforms every night into something a little bit different. Um, there in front of you, is the beach, and here's the obviously the beach and the main restaurant. But it really lights up at night and becomes a really great little scene. There's all kinds of little um, gazebos throughout the property where they set up, private dining and just big tables for big intergenerational groups. But this gives you a sense of what it looks like at night. Just a really beautiful scene. And the service has been great. The food's been amazing. But it's something really great to look at for maybe families with older kids, honeymooners, definitely something to consider with beachfront pool villas, and any romantic getaway as well would be great. But this is Baoase in Curaçao. We really enjoyed our stay here for the last 3 nights, and we look forward to helping you with your next trip.